Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Alright guys and girls, here's what I got. A few weeks ago I came up with this little logo, and it's called the Fast Trucks Matter, and I shared it with several of my truck friends and got feedback from them, and it went over pretty well. So I submitted my artwork and went on ahead and got some decals made and some t-shirt prints to where I could start printing t-shirts, and I came up with this idea to do a little promotion and do some fill-in content on my YouTube channel, since I can't really work on my truck right now due to waiting on paint stuff to come back. We're in the process of taking care of the transmission, and funds for other parts has pretty much just got me bogged down. So to keep the channel going and keep y'all entertained and stuff, I figured what I'd do is give some stuff away. So here's my idea. Starting tomorrow, which will be October 23rd of 2023, I am requesting y'all to send in a submission about their truck in a 1 minute or less video. If you do not have a video, just send in 10 to 12 pictures, and what I'll do is create a slideshow for you and I'll post it up. In addition to the pictures and or the video that you send, please include exactly what's on the listing here for the video challenge. In writing, please provide the following information: your name as you would like to be shared with others and on the video, the make, model, year, engine size, etc. Just basically information about your truck. Now, don't write a book, because these videos are going to stay short and pretty much to the point. Once you get either your video or, like again I said, if you need me to put something together, just send your information and I'll take care of you. It's not a big deal. After I get enough submissions, the first Monday that I can start the competition, I will create the videos. They will be posted on that Monday, and then I'll send a link to the video to the person that submitted it and let them know, hey, you're competing this week. It'll be y'all's job to get likes. So again, each week submissions will be posted on Monday, and the submission with the most likes in that week period time, the winner will be rewarded a t-shirt and a decal the following week, and that will be sent to you totally free, and the shipping will be included. We'll send it to you. All you're out is your video submission and your time. So please, if you're interested in this, feel free to contact me at texasdragracer@yahoo.com, and if you have any questions or submissions, send them there and we'll get you taken care of. Now guys, if you are YouTube creators, please also include your YouTube channel name or a link to your channel so that can be shared with our viewers as well. So we'll see how this goes, and we'll try it for about a month, and if it goes over, we're just going to do it. If it fails, we won't do it. Quite, simple and to the point. Well, anyway, hey guys, thanks for your time, and as always, please like and subscribe.